Daniel, tutukul. Why you didn't go outside? Danny, why you go pee here? Huh? It's tutukul. Ay. Very good. When you go pee, you go outside.
Ala, tapang mo i-kwadyain tinagisbon na.
Why you pee here? Look.
Ay, Dini. Ay.
Sit down. And you see your TV, huh?
Kusilap na.
No. Baby, no. When you go pee, you go outside, huh? Yes? Yes? Ay.
Slowly stop this. Why you pee here, Dini? Ah? Oh. Don't pee here, ah. Ay, mama will get angry. Because you always pee here, ah? Don't pee again, ah? Ay. Dini. Come here.